Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by gathering hardware and verifying accounts. Connect the capture device to your PC and run in pass-through mode. This preserves controller input and audio. Once done, connect your Xbox's HDMI OUT into the capture in and the capture OUT into your TV. Make sure your Xbox display is set to 1080p 60Hz so footage matches and latency stays predictable. Also sign into Xbox Live and enable any required streaming or developer settings so the console permits external capture. Next, configure the capture software on your PC. Install drivers, then open OBS or the Capture Vendor app and add the HDMI device as a video source. Make sure the input resolution is 1920 by 1080 and frame rate 60 to avoid scaling artifacts. Once the device is active, set audio input to the capture device so in-game sound is recorded. If you use a headset mic, add it as a secondary audio source and balance levels to prevent clipping. Finally, choose an efficient encoder, hardware NVENC or QuickSync, to reduce CPU load. Finally, run a test recording or stream to verify everything works. Start a 1-minute capture, then review for audio-video sync, dropped frames, and encoding artifacts. If you see dropped frames, lower the bitrate or switch encoder to hardware. For streaming, aim for 8 to 12 Mbps at 1080p 60. Make sure overlays and microphone levels are correct before longer sessions. If you lose signal, check the HDMI loop and power cycle the capture device, and disable HDCP on the Xbox if content is blocked. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most blockages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.